What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video we are going to ask and examine and explore the question, what does iPhone battery health really mean on your iPhone and why it matters? So without further ado, let's get started. To find your iPhone battery health, you want to go into settings, and in settings you want to look for battery. You click battery, and then right here where it says battery health, you click on it, and it should say maximum capacity. This will show you the health. Is it normal? Is it good? Is it bad? This will show you your cycle count, which I made another video to talk about cycle count. I can link it up top and in the description below, like via pop-up card right here. But what we care about for today is maximum capacity. You can see this is an iPhone 15 Pro. I got it April 2024. And the maximum capacity is 88%. Now, check this. On the Apple website, I did some comparisons. The iPhone 15 Pro, same as the iPhone 13 Pro, both have about 20 hours of video playback. So, check this math. If 100% battery gets you 20 hours of streaming your Netflix shows, let's say you do nothing else and you were to just watch Netflix 20 hours straight, what does 88% battery health get you? 0.88 times 20. I should be able to use my phone for approximately 17 to 18 hours. So it's degraded in the past year and a half about 12%. If you use your iPhone more or if you use your iPhone less, your battery will degrade at a different rate. But how does your battery actually degrade? Here, I'll just show you the screen. According to Google, it's chemical reactions, because when you use batteries, that electricity is provided for by chemical reactions. Over time, batteries degrade. That's just what batteries do. So depending on how much you use it, depending on how hot your phone gets, etc., your battery is going to degrade over time. If it drops below 80%, certain functions on your iPhone will start to diminish, in which case you can actually ask Apple to replace your battery for you if it drops below 80%. And how much will it cost? You just type it in, how much to replace battery on iPhone. Let's say you have a 12 Pro or a 16 Pro, etc. You click on that Apple support button, and you go down to how much will it cost. Let's say you have a 13 Pro, and you're at like 70% battery, and you want to ask. It's $89, and just to show you, iPhone 15 Pro, it's about $99, more or less. I don't know the actual finished cost. This is important because if you're the type of person who likes to use your phone for more than a decade, let's say you don't update the software, you don't like to upgrade to the newer iPhones, you like your phone just how it is, you can see that Apple will replace your battery at a cost unless you have Apple Care Plus. Assuming you don't, assuming you paid for your phone in cash, etc., and you love your phone, you love everything about it, you like the weight, you want to just keep using it forever, just replace the battery. If you notice your phone is starting to slow down, starting to get glitchy, the screen is getting wonky, it's throttling, your phone heats up, your phone's too cool, whatever, right? Your phone's not holding a charge with the new iOS. Just go to Apple, or schedule, either you mail in your phone if you are not close to an Apple store, you mail your phone into Apple, they'll replace the battery and then mail it back to you. Or you go into an Apple store, you schedule an appointment at the Genius Bar, they change your battery, and that's it. In theory, if you don't have access to an Apple store, you could go to those like fix-it booths in malls and stuff, or downtown, etc., and ask what their prices are. You could also buy the batteries yourself on Amazon and change it yourself, assuming you have all those little screws and other things, if you trust yourself to do it. Because, so like, to give you an example, I used my iPhone 7 for like 7-8 years, beat it up, travel it all over the world, etc., and it got down to like 70%. I could have just probably changed that battery and it would still be good, but I felt like it was time for an upgrade. So I upgraded to the latest iPhone at the time in 2020. And now I've upgraded again to this. I'm gonna plan to use this one phone for like at least 5 to 7 years minimum. Just because I compared the specs to the newest iPhones, and I don't really need that little bit of difference in the photos and videos. I freaking use another camera to record these videos with, you know? So if it drops below 80%, if only for $100 I can get the same good performance again with a new battery, I probably would do that instead of shelling out over $1,200 for the latest iPhone Pro, whatever it will be at that time, like the iPhone 20 Pro or the iPhone 22 Pro or Pro Max, etc. So to answer the question that we asked in the beginning of this video, what is iPhone battery health? It's essentially your iPhone's capacity to perform. The better the health, the better the ability to perform certain actions on your phone. The worse the health, the more it will start to turn off certain background functions to focus on keeping the other functions alive. Now, if you're a die-hard Apple fan, and if I've said anything incorrect in this video, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to put disclaimers up in the description and in the comments. I hope this video was very informative for those who are wondering, what is iPhone battery health? What is your iPhone battery health? I'm honestly curious, because I've made another video and people are like, oh yeah, I'm at like 80%, I'm at 92%, etc. after hundreds of iPhone cycle counts, etc. So let me know how it goes for you. I hope this was educational and I hope this was informative. If you got value from it, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to the channel for more Apple videos. Peace out till the next video.